Let me show you how you can find untapped winning Shopify products for free. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. So in today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share with you a strategy that I've been using to personally help me find untapped winning Shopify products that you can dropship on your store. Now, if you want to scale to the very big days, there's 5 figures plus, it's always going to be easier to do that if you find a product that is untapped. Now, what I mean by untapped is basically a product that no one else or very little dropshippers are currently selling on Facebook. When you do this, you're able to get the lion's share of the product because you're first to market. So I'm going to share with you in this video a strategy that I've been using Aliexpress to help me come across cool, quirky, unique products that not a lot of dropshippers will be selling. Now, before we do all that, if you could do just 2 things for me, and that is first and foremost, drop a like on this video. And second of all, if you could drop a comment down below if you found this video helpful, what would you like me to do going forward, and any questions that you have, I'll be replying to all questions as possible. It helps out the channel, lets me know that you enjoyed the video, and gives the YouTube algorithm some love as well. So let's quit the talking and let's find some untapped winning products. Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you is how to find untapped winning Shopify products that you can dropship on your stores using Aliexpress. Okay, now Aliexpress is where you can find a bunch of different products that you can source out. And the great thing is you want to use it in a certain way where you can uncover those products that not a lot of dropshippers may have come across before. Because remember, like I've mentioned, if you get the lion's share and you're the first to the market, that's when you're able to scale your Facebook ads to 5K, 10K and those 5-figure days. Now, one thing I will say, just to give you a real quick value bomb before I show you how I'm using Aliexpress to find these products, is what you want to make sure is that you're, like every other website, again, YouTube, Google, whatever, Facebook, whatever you're in, I'm currently signed in, but if I scroll down, it suggests you products that you've previously been looking at before or previously been searching for. Now, if we have a look at this here, you can see that this knee product here is consistently showing up. So it's there. And if I scroll again, there's just loads of knee products because I was previously looking on knee products on this account, right? So what you want to make sure you do first and foremost to give you a little bit of finding a chance to find products which Aliexpress is not suggesting to you is make sure you sign out. Of course, I'm signed in, but I'm going to stay signed in for the case of this one. But you just want to make sure that you're signed out and using an incognito browser. Okay, so that's the first little value bomb to help you uncover winning products. Okay, but I'm going to keep this because I want to save stuff. So how I like to use things is the categories. Okay. So in terms of finding winning products or untapped winning products or unusual products is I like to go through all of these categories, okay? And you can see there's loads. So when we hover over this here, you can see over in home improvement, we've got indoor lighting, we've got tools, LED lighting, outdoor lighting, home improvement. And then under those, we've got more subcategories. So we've got all of these ones, wall switches, hardware, and all of these inside of all these have different products, okay? So if I just go to toys and then I want to go to babies, clothing, and shoes, okay? If I just click on this, and also what it does is it always sorts by best match, okay? You can sort by orders and by newest as well. I most of the time like to sort by either orders or by newest. But one thing I've been doing is I've been doing something like this. So I've been going through all of these categories here. So rather than just by sorting by orders, okay, which will just pull up all of these products, and you can see here most of the time these may be the most saturated products that are out there. But if we then switch to girls' baby clothing, okay, we click on this one here and sort by orders on this one, then what happens is it's going to come up with different products which we may not have thought of. Again, here is another one here. And if we scroll down, some of these products are not really drop shippable. Is that even a word? Drop shippable? But some of these products we may not want to go for. But one thing I've been doing actually is I've been sorting by prices. So what I like to do is I like to restrict things. So if I go from, $5 to $6, hit OK, and then sort by the orders on here. So we can see here we're getting a hell of a lot more granular. And again, this is something which stands out in a newsfeed, which again, you may not have come across just doing your normal branded searches. So that's another way that I've been using Aliexpress to find these kind of untapped winning products. Now, when it comes to products, finding products and what products makes a winning product, it's always something which stands out. When you're scrolling through Aliexpress, okay, and you're scrolling through the products, you want to and again, this develops over time as you get better at spotting and finding winning products, but you're looking for something which instinctively just jumps out to you naturally. So when you're scrolling down, you want to be looking at those products which your eyes just are instinctively kind of drawn to. Those kind of products are the ones that are gonna, again, have that same kind of effect when you advertise it on Facebook with your Facebook ads. And they're the drop shipping products that we want to be trying to find. Now, this product here, like I've mentioned, I'm just going to open it in another link, but that instinctively out of this line here jumps out to me because it's the only one there with the baby in, okay? And this is just a thing that I like to do. And again, one thing you can do is also, if we go to more higher ticket products, let's say, and we change this from 9 to 10, click on OK. And what it's going to do here is it's going to bring up some things here, some products here, which we may be able to sell at a higher ticket price. Now, with most of these, again, not every single product that you're going to do is that you're going to sell, but some things will jump out. Again, this product here, right in the middle, jumps out to me. It's $9, okay? And we could sell this for $30 on our website. It looks cute. Again, there's an audience for it. Mothers, people who have just had newborn babies, perfect for baby showers. You know, there's a market there for these baby products. And I've made a lot of money in the baby niche. So I'm kind of influenced by the baby niche, okay? And again, you can easily sell these products based on emotion, okay? When it comes down to the ad copy and the ad description. Now, in terms of the actual, I'll open up that one as well. Now, in terms of the actual advert for these, most of the time, again, this is just specific for this product or for these type of products, but we'll be using picture adverts. Now, picture adverts can convert just as good as video ads. Most of the time I like to use video ads, but for stuff which is cool, quirky, and unique, like this, okay, this is really annoying. Like this product here, I'm gonna have to find it again. So let's go off that and let's go back to, let's click on this one again. Aliexpress, let's get off this, wait for that to do that. And then I'm not sure why Aliexpress does this, but if it does it on your computer, let me know down below, because it's really, really annoying that Aliexpress keep doing that, that stupid capture thing. But yeah, we can see that this product's here. This one actually has a video to it. I'm not going to play it, but it's got a video to it. Now, one thing, like I've mentioned previously, is picture adverts. Now, picture adverts convert just as good as video adverts, right? And I've recently been discovering that and influencing and using a lot more pictures in my ads rather than videos, because for a beginner as well, they take some time to get created, but you can literally take a photo like this and do variations and split test a hell of a lot more quicker and be a lot more agile rather than creating a video, getting your video editor to do things, etc, etc, etc. Okay, now going off that like I've mentioned, that previous tactic just there, one thing I like to do as well is if you hit save on the, I'm going to show you two things, but if you hit save, okay, and if you want to save a product on Aliexpress into your wish list, that way, of course, you are building up a list of all sorts of different products that you can go back and test. When you're doing your product research, something that I always do, you just click save. Now, when you click save, what happens is Aliexpress throws up some products which you also may like. Now, this is, of course, is based on the algorithm that whatever they are using, but it throws up a hell of a lot of products that you may not have uncovered. And some of these are absolute gems. You can see these on our website here. that are coming across the screen here. They move pretty quickly actually, but if I just scroll by and you have a look at, where was the one that jumped out to me? So this one here, okay, it's got a lot of orders on it, but looks good, looks cute. Hopefully Aliexpress is playing ball. Yep, it is. And again, some other products that we've got here as well that we can have a look. And again, this is one thing that I like to do all of the time. I always spend time just scrolling through these when I click a product to save, to see if there's anything which jumps out. And like I've mentioned, you want to consistently be looking for stuff that just catches your eye. You know, what jumps out at your eye that you think others may like. And again, this here instinctively just jumped out to my eyes. Again, it comes in loads of different colors. It's at this price here, which you could probably, you know, you want a 2x to 3x the price of the product. But again, it looks good. It's got a good, it's got a good seller as well. And one thing you also want to be doing is making sure that they're 95% or above. Generally is what I always like to go for. If they're a little bit lower than 95%, then what you want to do is try and find another supplier who may be selling the same product. As soon as you got the name of it, we could just copy kids sleep sack, copy that and see if we can find another supplier. Okay, so that's one thing that I also like to do when it comes to finding winning products, is hitting save and coming across you know, products that way. Now another thing I like to do, okay, is if I scroll down here all the way to the bottom of a product, again, this is another thing you can do. And here it gives us some products down here. So where have they gone there? There we go. So seller recommendations, and then we've got more to love here as well. And what you will find is that some of these ones here will be different to those ones on the saved. And again, what we're doing down here is we want to be making sure that we're looking for stuff which is just jumps out at our eye. Some of these things look really weird here. I'm not entirely sure. I wouldn't really sell any of these kind of products here, but anything that jumps out to you, maybe something that you want to stick on your wish list, okay, and then go ahead and test out using Facebook ads with picture ads, okay. Now, if you want to analyze how this thing is selling, what you can do is you can use the Aliexpress Dropship Center. And if I go past here and if I scroll up to the top here and go Dropship, where are we? Let's go Message Center. I was going to bring up the messages, but we go to my Aliexpress, sorry. And we go to Dropship Center. If you've already signed up, then it will just be here. If you haven't already signed up, it will just take you to sign up. This is 100% free, by the way. 100% free method to find winning products. You don't have to do anything. But this is Aliexpress Dropship Center. And we can click on Find Products to Sell. Okay. And what it will do is it will throw up different things here and there, and it will show you the order count. And we can go through categories this way. But I personally don't like to use this way. Only to find things here and there. I personally find going through Aliexpress like this and actually through the feed helps me uncover much more untapped winning products. Now, if you want to just analyze how that product was selling, okay, so take this for example, we can copy this, okay, put in the product URL, hit paste and hit analyze. And what it's going to do is it's going to throw up how many orders this product is getting per day. Right now, all of these orders don't mean that they're all just people drop shipping it. Okay, we can see here that the logistics reliability is excellent, which is obviously good. There were 97%, but we can see here that it's consistently having daily sales over 30 a day. Now, these might not all be drop shippers. And one thing a lot of people always ask me is, oh, it's got 2,003, it's got 2,800 orders. Is that too many orders? You know, is this product saturated because it's got X amount of orders? The truth is, you don't necessarily know until you actually sell the product. Another thing that you can do to kind of gauge whether or not it's saturated or not is you can jump into the you know, Facebook. You can also jump into places like AdSpy and different research tools and just plug in the name like Kids Sleep Sack and just see how many other advertisers are selling that product. If there's loads that are selling this exact same product, then that may be that it's a little bit more saturated. If there's no other people selling this kind of product, then you may have stumbled on something which is, you know, untapped And a lot of these orders may just be normal sellers from Aliexpress who will just come into Aliexpress and purchasing the products. Because what you want to remember is that not every single person who purchases on Aliexpress is a drop shipper. So a lot of people normally get spooked in that kind of way. So they are some methods that I personally like to use. They are absolutely fantastic. I've been finding some real gold mines doing things this way, and also finding high ticket products as well. So if we just go to AliExpress, I just want to show you this really quickly before I end this video. If we just go to, let's say, where is this? Take the toys example. Let's just go boys clothes this way. Let's just go, 10 to 11, 10 to 11. I don't know, why does it keep going like that for? Let's just try it one more time. If it doesn't work this time, then you know what I'm talking about. But oh, there we go. Then we can sort by orders. So we may find some higher ticket products this way. Again, I'm just using this as one sort of category. You can go into all of these. There's loads of different categories. Bags, etc. is another good one as well to find higher ticket products. And we just consistently go through. Again, we could do this by 12, 13, restrict it, sort by newest, sort by orders, and uncover products which you may not have come across before. So that is a simple, free method that you can use to find untapped winning dropshipping products. So hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, then drop a like on this video. If you didn't, then drop a like anyway. It doesn't cost you anything. Drop a comment down below as well. I'll be replying to as many comments as I possibly can. Let me know how you found this video. If there's any products that you saw that you may potentially want to test out, or any questions that you may have, or anything you want me to film in the future videos, then just let me know. Drop a comment down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on as well, so that you stay up to date as to when I drop my latest videos. Also, quick announcement, I will be working on a new video with Oberlo. It'll be coming out very soon. If you don't know what Oberlo is, they're a massive app, a fulfillment app, and they're actually owned by Shopify. I actually flew out to them last year, and I'll leave a link somewhere around for you to check out that video. But we've got tons of value coming in that video, and that'll be coming out very, very soon. If you haven't yet, then make sure you download my 100% free ebook on how to dropship. Covers pretty much absolutely everything you need to know. If you want to learn more from me personally, then make sure you check out Ecom 2.0. If you use the code YouTube100, then you'll get $100 off the course. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a comment, and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you later.